Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to crack the code on learning a new language, like Italian, so fast that it almost feels like you're cheating. You know that feeling, right? You've got stacks of flashcards, you've gone through the grammar drills, but the second someone asks you a question, your mind just goes blank. It is so frustrating. But listen, it's not you, it's the method. And this right here, this says it all. The old way of learning has you putting in a mountain of effort, like 80% of your energy, for a tiny little return, just 20% in actual real-world speaking skills. You're wasting so much time on things that just don't move the needle. Yeah, I call this the 80% learning trap. It's not about how smart you are, it's about being caught in this bloated, inefficient system that throws everything at you at once, hoping something will stick. Think about it. Most courses are just trying to get you to drink from a fire hose, and that's exactly why we get overwhelmed and just give up. But what if we could just flip that whole thing on its head? What if we could focus only on the 20% that really matters? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. See, the solution is actually a really simple but incredibly powerful idea that is a total game changer for anyone trying to learn a language. Say hello to the 80-20 rule. You might also know it as the Pareto Principle. The whole idea is that in almost anything, 80 of your results come from just 20 of your work. It's all about finding that vital 20 and focusing on that. It's about learning smarter, not just harder. And here's the absolute key for us language learners. It turns out that for about 80% of all your daily normal conversations, you only need about 20% of the entire language. That's it. If we can just pinpoint that high-impact 20%, we can make progress like you wouldn't believe. Okay, so let's put this into practice. I'm going to show you how you can build a massive vocabulary in just minutes. Seriously, this is where you get your first big instant win. Here's a little secret most beginners have no idea about. You already have a huge head start. There are these things called cognates. They're words that are basically cousins between English and Italian, usually because they both come from Latin. Just learning to spot them is a massive confidence booster. So check this out. It's all about patterns. Take English words that end in Y. A lot of the time they become ia in Italian. So biology, that's biologia. Philosophy, that becomes filosofia. You see how easy that is? It's like a secret code. Ready for another one? It's just as easy. English words ending in ty often change to t. So city becomes città. University becomes università. You're not even memorizing anymore. You're just recognizing patterns and translating on the fly. So there you have it. 3 common patterns you can literally start using today. Learning to spot these gives you this incredible immediate momentum. It helps you understand words you never even seen before. All right, let's talk grammar. I know, this is usually the scariest part for everyone. But guess what? The 80 rule is going to make this so much more manageable. You absolutely do not need to learn it all at once. Okay, so your number one mission, should you choose to accept it, is to master the present tense. Seriously, just this one tense will carry you through the huge majority of your first conversations. It is your rock, your foundation. Once this clicks into place, everything else gets so much easier. And believe it or not, a massive chunk of everyday spoken Italian, it all revolves around just 10 little verbs. That's it. And here they are. These guys are the real MVPs of the Italian language. To be, to have, to do, to go, say, can, want, must, know, and see. Just learning these 10 in the present tense, that's your entire 20% grammar checklist right there. Okay, now for a really cool little insight that honestly changed everything for me. You might recognize this line from Pride and Prejudice. It sounds a little off to us today, right? I am glad you are come. But believe it or not, this phrase holds the key to understanding Italian grammar. Because look at this. I am come is a perfect literal translation of the modern Italian phrase sono venuta. Isn't that wild? It turns out that a lot of Italian grammar that seems weird to us today is actually just like how people spoke English a couple of centuries ago. So here's the best way to think about it. Speaking Italian is kind of like speaking Jane Austen, and that simple idea completely reframes the grammar in your head. It's not foreign or strange anymore. Suddenly, it's elegant and classic. It just clicks. All right, final piece of the puzzle. We've learned the right stuff, but how in the world do we make it stick? The key is to start working with your brain's natural tendencies, not fighting against them. And this is where memory hooks are pure magic. It's all about creating a personal, vivid connection between a new Italian word and something that's already locked tight in your memory. And a little secret, the weirder and funnier you make the connection, the better it works. For example, let's say you're trying to remember the Italian pronouns for he and she. For he, which is Louis, just picture King Louis from the Jungle Book. For she, which is Lei, just picture Princess Leia. It's so simple, it's visual, and it is instantly unforgettable. And you can create your own so easily. Just look for a sound that's familiar, create a funny mental image, and make it personal. This whole process turns boring old memorization into a fun, creative, and super effective game. And that's really the power of the 80-20 rule. It's about focusing on the vital few, the most common words, the core grammar, the most effective memory tricks. It lets you completely bypass all that frustration and just start making real, tangible progress. So I'll just leave you with this one thought. Where else in your life could focusing on that vital 20% turn a giant mountain into a totally manageable hill? Thanks for watching.